Hey guys, Jared the occupational therapist here, and I got these products to review, and these improve safety within the bathroom. So now I got this grab bar and the shower bench. I always recommend using these grab bars on the wall, and you need to make sure these will fit within the grout lines of the shower. Now this grab bar is unique in the fact that to lock it and unlock it, or to increase the suction so it sticks on the wall, you just turn it right here on the mechanism itself. Now with this, I would recommend putting this either vertically so it makes it getting in the shower easier. These orange pieces that you see here are from the seat right here. This cushion has some holes that you just punch right out. And I just put those right here on the wall because it's going to draw someone's attention to this area. So now that those are there, I'm going to put the grab bar here horizontally because in my shower here on this side, it's too wide. The tile is too wide for this to fit appropriately. The grout lines are impeding the closure of the grab bar. So when air gets in, it's not going to stick right. So you need to make sure you have a flat surface. So what I'm going to do instead is put this horizontally here and then just turn. And you'll hear it lock, and then you turn, and then it's on the wall securely. So now when you get into the shower, you can just grab onto this bar, and then you can sit securely on this shower bench. Now this shower bench here is awesome because it's really compact. It has two arms that are along the side and the back. Both of the arms, the back, and the seat all have foam on them, so it's really cushioned. So it's going to be more comfortable than if it was just a solid bar. These arms also can go up, so that way if you need to get out of the shower and this bar might be impeding your ability to get out, you can just lift this so that way you can get right out. In our circumstance, we're going to keep them both down. And as you can see before, you can just use these to lower yourself down, and then you can use them to get yourself up as well. I like the fact that you have the drain holes here, so the water is going to just drain right out as you're taking the shower. Additionally, shower seat has some non-slip feet on the bottom that are angled, so this will just stay right here as you're taking your shower. These feet can be raised and lowered just by pushing these pegs here, and you just want to make sure all the pegs are in even height, and they're really easy to adjust. So once again, this is how it looks when it's down, but my favorite part is when you go ahead and push this up, you're going to push along the buttons along the side here, and once you push upon them, the bench will actually start to collapse upon itself, and then it's compact. So now all the water can drain off. The water is not going to get trapped in here. It's not going to cause any mold issues. So it's going to drain easier, and it takes up so little space for small areas. It's great for areas that don't have a lot of storage. So I really like this a lot. It's a secure shower bench or shower seat that has armrests that you can use to help improve showering. The contrast is great. The orange on white is going to help with someone that may have visual issues. So it's going to draw your attention to the bench. You can use the stickies here to draw your attention on the wall and on the grab bar. So of these two items, I would highly recommend both of these. So I would definitely say go check these out.